Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be walking through how to add products to collections on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So open your Shopify admin panel and click on products, and now click on collections, and now you can create new collection. Click on create collection and give the collection title. Here you can add collection description and select collection type, condition, and you can add a collection feature image from here. Now as you can see, I have created 3 collections here, and now let's see how to add products to this collection. So go to products and open that product which you want to add to your collection, and scroll down, and to the right hand side you will find this collection option. So click on this collection box, and then you will get those collection you created on your store, and now select those collection where you want to add the product, and here you can see the collection has been added. So this was how we can add products on Shopify collections. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.